Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is taking action. My goodness, if there's one thing that's going to separate you from all your competitors, is you taking action. And what I mean by that, we can all spend a lot of time tidying up emails, tidying up our desk, doing the paperwork, dealing with marketing or accounts, or all these other things that are taking us away. I see them mainly as excuses. You're going to be highly polished in how you operate at all times. If you start at 8, you know what, that phone needs to be in your hand at 8. If you start at 9, you really should be on your call at 9 o'clock. That phone should not leave your hand. That phone should be here with the only thing coming out your mouth is asking intelligent questions, and then your ears should be open to listening. You're observing the client and you're adapting, whether that's to sell something straight away or to get in front of a client to present to them. But the idea is those that take action get the business in. It's a very easy formula. The more you take action, the more business you have that comes in. So if you want to learn more about how to take action, how to highly skill yourself in sales techniques and your team, then subscribe below for more tips on how to take action. And if you want to learn about courses about how to take action, how to motivate yourself, motivate your client and motivate your team, then contact us now. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.